Hello everyone, and welcome to Solving Systems of Equations by Graphing. So we are going to move a little bit further with our slope-intercept form, and what we're going to be doing in this worksheet is plotting two lines on a graph and figuring out where those lines cross. So if you take a look at number one, we have two equations, and there's nothing different about the way we're going to plot these. We're still going to plot these using our y-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept and m is the slope. So let's start with this equation, y equals 2x minus 3. So to plot this on the graph, we're going to start with the y-intercept where the line crosses the y-axis at -3. That's our first point. And then our slope is 2, which is the same thing as 2 over 1. That's our rise over our run. So from this point, I'm going to go up 2 and over 1 and plot my next point there, and then I'm going to go up 2 and over 1 again and plot that point, up 2 over 1. And I'm going to make one more point down here, and that's my first line. Use a ruler to draw it nice and straight so you have the correct point of intersection. All right, and now on the same graph, we're going to plot y equals -3x plus 2. So this time our y-intercept is +2. So we're going to start our line at +2 on the y-intercept. And our slope is -3, which is the same thing as -3 over 1. So what that means is that this is our positive line, right? We want our line to be going in this direction, which is negative. So I'm going to go down 3 and over 1, because 3 is our rise and 1 is our run. And I'm going to continue going down 3 and over 1. And from this direction, I can go over 1 and up 3, as long as it makes a straight line and it has that consistent slope. So now it's clear that our lines cross, because our goal here is to find the point of intersection of the two lines. So we can see our point of intersection is right there. And when we find the point, it's 1 over and 1 down. So it's 1, comma, -1. And that's our answer, is 1, comma, -1. Let's take a look at number 2. So now here we're going to start with this equation, and y equals -5 over 3x plus 1. We start with the y-intercept, which is +1. We're going to make our first point right there. And now we have -5 over 3. So remember, this is our rise over our run. So I'm going to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to go to the left 3, 1, 2, 3, because we want to make sure it's going to have a negative slope and a decreasing line. And let's do one more point in the opposite direction, where we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the right 1, 2, 3. There you go. And so for the second equation here, our y-intercept is -3, so we're going to start at 1, 2, 3. And our slope, our rise is 1, our run is 3, and it's a negative slope. So we're going to go, we're going to go up 1 and over 3. Up 1, over 3. Down 1, over 3. Make sure you draw your line straight. And now we see that here is our point of intersection. and that is at 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's our answer. So go ahead with these skills, complete the rest of this packet. Good luck.